Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Saturday. Saturday night. Technically, it is Sunday. It is past midnight, but I'm going to say it's still Saturday. Hello, Chris Klein. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're going to talk about some coins. We're going to look at some charts. And we're going to probably buy and sell some memes. I don't know. It's a chill Saturday night. Chill and chill. Feel free to join. I got the chai latte. We have just returned from the play. Another roaring success. I hope you guys are having a good weekend. Sound off in the chat. Let me know what you're up to. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. Maybe check out the merch store. Appreciate you guys for joining me. All right, let's get right into it. Guys, welcome Dave. Welcome, Chris Klein. Bitcoin is kind of just doing its thing. You know what I did, actually? There we go. Okay, I gotta fix my chart. I deleted some lines, and I want them to come back. Let me make sure that they're gonna come back. Yep. Okay, cool. So let me reopen TradingView. Because I don't want to lose my lines. Some of them are special lines. There we go. And bam. Okay, we're good. We're back in business. Thankfully, Control Z exists. Absolute lifesaver. Guys, Bitcoin's just chopping sideways. Let's update our liquidation points on the chart. 100,697. Okay, and then the lower level, a lot of liquidity below us. 99,357. Okay, and then there's a really big one right at 99,286, and then there's also a big one at 101, 191. So let's put those on there as well. Okay, and then I want that to be the same color, so I'll make it green as well. And we'll make it thick because it's a big liquidation right there. And then we also got the one, which one's bigger? I guess it's right below it. I'm not going to put the second one down here. We know, well, I guess I shouldn't I? It's at 99,286. That's what we'll do. We'll just put it on there. How you guys doing tonight? You guys enjoying your Saturday? Pump it up. That's right, Dave. Chris Klein said, let's effing go. Wish TRD and INJ would stop dumping. I mean, TRD, the ticker is kind of turd, so. Is that even a coin? Did you give me the wrong ticker? Because turd is an awful ticker. I hope that was a typo. What was the other one? Turd. It's funny because it's not intended to be turd. Unless it is. Guys, I had to buy new light bulbs for my van. They don't have them at stores, apparently. I don't know why everything on the van is going all at once, but that happens. So I go to Walmart. I buy lights, like the headlights that it specifically says in the book. They're the wrong ones. Apparently, my model van, they made 2 different headlights for it. What do you mean? Engine's not dumping. On the 4-hour, it looks great. It's in a beautiful uptrend. Let's see what I can see. So, I would argue right here, you had some really good bullish div. From here to here. Which set you up for the move that you're in right now. It's a little bit sloppy, so it wasn't as obvious as I would like it to be with bullish div. Let's see, we got 46.81, 46.88, and then 47. So, okay. So there's potential for even more bullish div. 47.15, 46.88. Actually, right here, if this candle closes like this and continues, if it bounces off of that, then that will give you bullish div right here as well, which is actually really good. And you got the bearish div. So engine actually looks like a pretty decent setup. The bearish and bullish div duking it out could send the price pretty high, potentially. Now, that all is kind of hinging on Bitcoin right now. I know, I feel like my calls get really sloppy during the weekend, and I think that's because the price action is so unpredictable on the weekend. During the bear market, it used to be really chill. Okay, good. Chris said, "Oh shoot, I meant TRX." That's so much better, dude. I'm so glad you I'm so glad you weren't worried about turd dumping. Costa Ricardo Crypto said, "Why is Dogecoin pumping again?" Wow. I told you, man, Doge is the people's coin. This is retail's meme coin. Retail knows Doge probably more than they know Bitcoin. It is a retail coin. They know Doge. It's a household name. There we go. I think that we're going to get a hard rejection off of 50. I could be way wrong. I guess, no, I wouldn't call it a hard rejection. I'm looking for 50 to be an area of confluence. So I would like to see the price either reject or bust through, retest, and continue. Hold it as support. Is there a quick command for this? Of course not. What does that do for me? Oh, ooh, okay. That's awesome. Okay, I mean, I got a trend line, horizontal line. Let's go. Okay, that's sick. I didn't know I could do that. I really, really like that. But yeah, 50 cents is such a big psychological level. I do think that it's going to be an area of interest for sure. Do I think it can go to $1 this time around? I think so. I think it's going to happen for sure. Chris Klein wanted to look at Tron, so let me go look at Tron. Tron, you said you wish Tron would stop dumping. Ooh, okay. I mean, it's dumping because, what did it say? For this, shift and then click on the chart. Dude, that's so sick. Okay, I gotta learn these commands. This is so much nicer. It had 120% pump from the local lows. From the overall, like, local lows going all the way back here. 180, almost 200% run. So there are bound to be retraces in crypto, and Tron just happened to be one of them that retraced 30%. And that's a pretty healthy retracement. See how oversold you were? Or overbought, I'm sorry. See how overbought it was? This is a pretty big candle. 41% 4-hour candle is insane. So, but the chart looks good. It does. It ran up really hard, and then it pulled back a little bit. I mean, sure, you went from 116 to 50. So it retraced half of this move. So let's look at previous price action as well. was the last time it was here? It's been quite a while. Apparently Binance hasn't had Tron long enough. Maybe Tron USD. Kraken. Oh, there we go. So is this an all-time high for Tron? Let's just see what CoinMarketCap has, because I think that they have all of the data. It is. That's why you're retracing. Tron broke its previous all-time high. It's been in a pretty consistent uptrend for weeks now. Since actually years. This is a beautiful chart. So 2021 crash. This is the smoothest, and maybe I'm just zoomed out a little bit too far, but this looks beautiful. There's no crazy big pumps and dumps. It kind of just like established a holding. This is great. That looks like a beautiful chart of a growing asset. For the longer term, Tron looks amazing. Now, Justin Sun seems to be quite controversial. Do I think that he's a scammer? I have no idea. I know nothing about the guy. I don't think I have any room to kind of judge on that, because I know nothing of his project or him as a person. I do know that all the key opinion leaders within crypto get talked shit. Like, everyone talks shit about them. I don't know. It's like the cool thing to do to be like, Charles Hoskinson is a scammer. Vitalik is a scammer. Bugs the crap out of me. So when people blatantly call people scammers without any evidence, like Justin Sun, kind of rubs me the wrong way. It's a little irritating. So that's why I don't go out and call people scammers, just blatantly throwing it around there, because it's stupid. Nyanya B said, going to get a new desktop, was thinking about the Raspberry Pi. Anyone ever used one? I actually have not. I have not. Nanya B, I actually just built my current desktop that I'm streaming from, and it only cost me $400 or $500, and I'm live streaming from it. It's pretty sick. I also don't know why consoles are $700-800 when I could build a pretty sick PC for that much money, and it'll last twice as long, and I don't have to pay a monthly fee to play video games online with my friends. But yeah, Tron looks decent. I can't really say anything to the character of the creator, but I think that it's weird when people do that without any evidence. They're just clearly like butthurt that they don't own any or something. They're like, he's a scammer. Well, what do you have any evidence to prove that? Well, no, but other people said it. It's just weird. It's weird to me, man. ETH is like perfectly chopping along my lines, which is kind of freaking me out still. Look at that. Total 3 set a new all-time high. Congratulations, guys. I think, I could be wrong, I hope that with this, was that the daily close? Did the daily close above that? No way. I don't think it did. Oh, it was so close. Oh, imagine, is today Saturday? Dude, imagine tomorrow, imagine Sunday, the weekly close above this. That's the start of alt season. That is the start of alt season, baby. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. That is what we want to see. W's in the chat. Spam the bananas in the chat for total 3. Breaking previous highs. Hell yeah. What's Sol doing? Is Sol gonna pull back too? We might be in for some Bloody Sunday, guys. We might be in for some Bloody Sunday. Do 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 do. Yeah, XRP's kind of just chilling. What else do we got? H-bar. H-bar's turning green again. Getting ready to curl back up. Let's go. Polkadot, just chilling sideways. SUI, rejecting off of its upper trend line, setting up some bearish div, actually. Longer term bearish div. C. C looks okay, actually. Nice uptrend on C. Cas. Of course, Cas getting a pullback. Little baby pullback, though. Avalanche chopping sideways. Link chopping sideways. The market's very indecisive right now. Doge pumping is kind of a good sign. Lunk, Polygonmatic Pole, Near, Chili's. Yeah, everything's... What's Bitcoin dominance look like? Pretty boring, actually. Bitcoin itself looks pretty boring. ETH actually looks really good. It really does. I can't believe Total 3 got that high. That's awesome. Let's see. What's going on, Billy? Billy said Micro Center has a lot of Raspberry Pi hardware. Pivot said, can we take a look at PayPay? Yes, we absolutely can. PayPay, this is one of the good ones. One of the really good ones. The name is hilarious. Look at that. Every single time we see bullish div set up, it chops sideways and then it blasts up. This is the new move. Not financial advice, guys, but last time we looked at PayPay on the daily, we said bullish div, and what did it do? If you would have traded that, that would have been the bottom. If you would have bought there, you'd be up 100% right now. Hell yeah. Congratulations, PayPay holders. Absolute legends. I love this. Is this the right one, or are you talking the one on Sol? Because I'm assuming there's one on Sol as well. Yeah, let me know if it's the ETH or Sol. Dude said, hey, yo, everyone. Nunya B said, I only want to trade and run sniper bot, so building the mini, in my opinion, may work. Just trying to see what's best. Thanks again, my Michigan-made brother. Nunya B, okay. Here's my personal opinion on this. I have a dedicated device for trading as well. You said you want to trade and run a sniper bot. The sniper bot I can't speak to, but what I did is I bought a MacBook. When I first started trading, I had a 2011 MacBook. 4 years ago, I was using a 2011 MacBook Pro, and I just retired it last year. I bought a new one, I bought a refurbished 2012, or I'm sorry, refurbished 2019 MacBook Pro on eBay. And the reason I like it for my crypto is because it's secure. It's safe and secure. I don't link anything else to it. I don't download anything on it. I literally just use it for crypto and Discord and like maybe the occasional YouTube video. But it's my dedicated trading device. I definitely, I don't know. I'm a Mac Maxi because the 2011 lasted me so long. I literally bought that before my daughter was born. And my daughter's 13 now and this thing still runs. If I turn it on, it'll boot up in less than like 2 minutes. That's crazy. And I beat the crap out of that thing. I did everything you could ever think of. I downloaded software, I downloaded movies, I downloaded video games. I was like porting stuff. It was ridiculous. Highly recommend though. Philly said, speaking of alt season, are memes included in alt season, or are memes a separate season / period? Philly, I feel like memes just run all year round. I haven't really seen any alt or meme coin bear market, so it's just kind of like a constant pivoting system from like one meme to the next meme, and then eventually the old memes will pick up again. Pivot said, that's the one. ETH, would you know possible price targets for PayPay in the next few months? Price targets I'm a little hard with, especially with meme coins specifically. As long as their supply hasn't changed, which I know nothing of, the ETH meme coins specifically have been doing a really good job recently, and I think it's because of the transaction fees. It discourages JEETs. So what you have right now, you got the bullish div set up. Price target, I mean, I would at least look to get the previous highs. Let's look at what the market cap was back then. Previous high market cap, 163 mil, 162 mil. With Pepe specifically breaking out the way that it did, and people freaking out about it. This right here, this is going to be your best friend. Look at this. Pepe had the same exact setup. Bullish div. This is on the 4-hour though. But I had the triangle, broke bearish out of the triangle, set up some bullish div, chopped sideways for a minute, and then blasted to the upside. Hell yeah. Beautiful structure on Pepe. So let's see. What is Pepe's market cap? Did that just say $1? Are people crazy? Pepe's market cap, 10 billion. This thing, am I still on market cap? No. Market cap's right here. That's the wrong one. My bad. This thing, 163. So it's about, this one's 10 billion. This one's almost 100 million. Is it 1%? Is that 1%? Or is that 10%? Let me do some embarrassing math time. Is that 10 billion? That's million, billion, yeah. So this would be 1 billion. Wow. That's really embarrassing. I couldn't do that in my head. Can you guys tell I'm tired? Jeez. Oh, well, turns out 10% of 10 billion is 1 billion. Jesus. All right. So, I mean, I feel like this thing could capture 10% of the market for Pepe. I feel like it's got potential. I'm not going to say that I feel like it can. I feel like it has the potential right now. So, what we got with, nope, that's the wrong one. The current all-time high is 163 million. I feel like it's at 1% right now. It's at 1%. Let's go with 5. Let's go with 5%. I would just look for the psychological level of 500 million, if I'm being completely honest. That's for long term. If this thing sustains its market dominance, I would call it. And if Pepe continues to run, this is a funny Pepe clone. It's freaking hilarious, if I'm being completely honest. And the fact that certain people will probably be upset by it makes it even better. The Pepe was literally built out of the idea that the public opinion can't suppress something because they find it offensive for whatever weird, fabricated, made-up reason. Mainstream media said Pepe was racist because some racist people used Pepe like once. That's the silliest thing I've ever heard of in my entire life. Racist people eat at McDonald's all the time. Everybody else continues to eat at McDonald's. Does that make those people racist? Absolutely not. So, Pepe is like a beautiful amalgamation of all of those things. I'm talking like a salesman right now, but I feel like if it's gonna continue, it rugged technically when it went down to 50 million, but it held 50 million. That's pretty sick. So you had this initial break upwards, retest, break upwards, little run up to the upside, and then it retraced, and it never hit this lower level. Never again came this low, which is great. It sustained this price, built a nice bottom, and now it's starting to go up. So I would at least look for previous all-time highs. I feel like previous all-time highs is a fair target. Outside of that, though, I have no idea. I would just go with psychological number, 500 million market cap at that point. And that's me just completely guessing. What do you guys think the market's gonna do for the close tomorrow? Let's see. Hoff said, yo. Billy said, oh shit. I think I took profits too early on Pepe. Hoff's yo. Hoff said, I think the next level for it is like 3130. Pivot said, oh, do you have a cockatiel? I have two, actually, and I also have two budgies. If you go to my YouTube channel and go to my shorts, you can see them. They're quite funny. This is Roku. Gray one's Davos, and then we got Jack is the blue one, and then the blue budgie, and then the yellow budgie is Goose. And I guess I haven't been aware until recently that you guys can hear them because I look at my mic levels frequently, and when they chirp, the mic levels don't pick up because I have like a noise suppressor on my mic, but apparently it doesn't suppress them entirely. They're pretty loud. Philly said, damn, 49, my first take profit target on Dogecoin. Philly said, getting close. Hoff said, 59, my next level for Doge. Hoff's 50 is going to be a psychological level that you got to break through, but that's what I'm looking for. Philly said, Hoff, do you think Doge will outperform last bull run? I hope so. I hope it hits $1. Hoff said, I just think $1 is easy. I agree. I agree. Because people saw that it got close last time, so they know it's actually possible versus like the people talking about SHIB hitting $1. Pivot said, would love to see Pepe hit 5 bill. I feel like 500 mil. 5 bill would be huge. I feel like 500 mil is totally fair. Yeah, I feel like that's a totally fair market cap. And again, that's if they have the marketing in the community and they can continue their current market dominance as the market increases. Yeah, Pepe's hilarious. I love this. Chinese Pepe breaking out. Let's go. Yeah, I mean it's too funny. It's too good to not perform well, in my opinion. Ooh, man, Peter Pepper said roar on ETH. Let's go take a look at it. That is on our watch list, my good friend. That is on our watch list. What do we got? Ooh, this is a great setup. I like this. So he had bullish div in the past, and it did play out. The bullish div would have earned you 20%, but then it retraced hard after that. And we watched this. So Roar is the first coin where we demonstrated the pressure cooker move, which is my own patented design, my own trademarked trading pattern, where you have bearish div push the price into bullish div, which leads to a pop, and then bearish div pushing the price into bullish div, which leads to a bigger, huge pop, which is what this was. And then after that, it retraces hard. And we learned that from this, and we've watched it play out on so many other coins since then. So Roar kind of holds a special place in my heart. Let's see if we can get another move. Now, I've seen this specific RSI setup before, and I couldn't tell you what it is. It looks like Bongo Cat to me. You guys know Bongo Cat? It just looks like Bongo Cat. The little ears. So every time I see that in the chart, it's usually too late. But when I see this, a couple days go by and the thing goes insane. So I'm gonna actually leave this circled, so that way we can look at it. And I'm gonna put the date on this chart. I'm gonna type the date on here, so that we can see today is 12/8/2024. 0.006949. I'm gonna leave that here. Shoot. I can't put it on the RSI. Oh, that stinks. So I'm gonna leave that here. And we're gonna see if this thing does go crazy. Having said that, let's see if we can find some actual patterns in the chart now. We're on the 4-hour. And there's no bearish div, which is good. there was bullish div back here. So you had these points right here. And these points right here. So you had bullish div, which played out. Tremendous upside out of that bullish div. If you would have traded that move, you would have made 80 to 90%. Hell yeah. You guys, I'm telling you guys, you got to watch out for that bullish div. You really do. Even back here, if this, because this was kind of a little bit of bounce, and that's still lower. If you would have bought right there and just had patience, 64% move. But again, keep in mind, statistically, divergence only plays out like 40-something% of the time. I think 47%, which is not very good. But during a bull market, that might be that 50%. It might just always play out during a bull market, as far as we know. Besides that bullish div on the 4-hour, I'm not seeing much. I could maybe make a case for... No, I think that's pretty much it. Let's go to the daily. So the daily looks okay. And then let's go to the 1-hour. I mean, I might be able to make a case for this. I guess I would go right here. I'd go right here. For that bullish div as well. It's a little bit sloppy though. And perhaps it played out already? No, 5%. I would say that's a no. But that's up for debate. And that's also kind of sloppy. I usually like to see a better bounce right here versus this hitting that target and then just going sideways. But yeah, the 4-hour looks good. Looks real good. You got the bongo cat. The potential bongo cat setup. Oof. Uh-oh. Bitcoin's getting a little bit of downside push. Did it? What do you mean roar CTO? Did they CTO? Is that new? Nice. What is this? Trading cooldown on whitelist? That's no big deal. That is no big deal to me. Yeah, I like roar. Let's see. Philly said Hoffs. That makes my that makes my D hard. What was last bull run? Dogecoin hit 69 cents. I think so. Man, Peter Pepper said, "Let's go roar CTO community takeover in 2022." Okay, that's what I like to see. I like that. Philly said, "Bongo Cat, Roaring Kitty. Why haven't I seen these?" I don't know, Philly. Have you heard of the internet? Oh my gosh. I am so tired right now. I am so tired. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you guys are new or not, you can help out the channel by purchasing some merchandise from our merch store, which is also in the description of this video, this live stream. Or you guys can just donate directly to me if you want. Or you can sign up to some affiliate links. We got Coinbase for an on-ramp. We got Bitunix and Ourbit. Both are non-KYC leverage platforms. So if you do sign up to those, just be careful. You do need to be like a competent adult with your money to trade leverage. It's very volatile, and I would hate for anybody to get wrecked trading leverage. So you just chill out if you do sign up for those. Also follow me on Twitter. Join the Discord for sure. Definitely join the Discord. It's a fun time. It's free. It's not my Discord. I came from the Discord. It's the community that I live in every day. This is like my family.
So join the family. The Telegram is in its infancy. I think we got about 9 people in there now. This is my Telegram for my channel. It's starting to pick up though. Dave posts gems in the Telegram all the time. And then you guys got the merch. The biggest thing that you guys can do for me though is subscribe, smash the like button, and share the stream or just the channel in general with your friends and family. Because we're trying to hit 500 subs. 500 subs would be a huge win for us. We're getting close. I think we're at 356. Yeah. So we need 144. And then we're there. Ooh. Let's see. I got 2 articles to read through for you guys. I don't know if I'm going to get through them, though. I might just read the title. I'm losing my voice. Bitcoin rally to continue until end of 2025. I like that goal. $100,000 milestone comes despite sluggish momentum in oil, gold, and S&P 500. I don't know what the hell they're talking about. The S&P 500 is literally all-time highs right now. Where's the sluggish momentum? It's literally never been this high before. These people are crazy. So yeah, they're looking for Bitcoin rally until the end of 2025 in euphoria stage. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what they're looking for price-wise as far as the euphoria stage is concerned, but we just hit 100K. Everybody said that would never happen. And now they look like idiots. And they have no coins. Then we got another one. This new coin called Ether for some reason. Never heard of it. To $5,000 on Fractals. I had to read this one because it said Fractals. BlackRock holding ETH ETF holdings 2x with 500 million buy. Nice. Again, they're talking about the Ether prices rally. That's funny. It has the same price as Ethereum. That's weird. Psychological mark may be a minimum target based on emerging ETH fractal patterns and Bitcoin surge above $100,000. Let's go look at this beautiful fractal. Because you guys know I'm the fractal Farquaad. ETH's market structure mirrors Bitcoin from a few weeks ago. 5K is the minimum target. I think it's likely to go higher. Hell yeah. It's at 4 right now, so that's 20%. That's a pretty good move for ETH. It's huge. Why did they highlight Ether? These people drive me crazy. Let's see. BlackRock ETH ETF acquires 500 million of Ether. So they're buying this Ether coin too. So that's a big deal. They're buying up ETH. And that's it for the articles, guys. I am not gonna be able to talk by tomorrow. I'm scared. Let's see what's performing well in the bags. We got Splo up 158%. Naked Jim coming out of nowhere with 37. Oh, Moodang just flipped Pesto 19.6%. Pesto's 19.1%. Hell yeah. Moodang has 100 times the market cap of Pesto. Dang. Sheetjan up 17% out of nowhere. JJ up 15%. Very cool. The ticker is ETH on Sol up 11.5%. Santa on BNB up 11.38%. I told you guys this was going to move around Christmas. I think everybody front ran it though, so they're probably just going to PvP and hold each other's bags. Oh no, it happened already. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. That's so fucked up. They rugged Santa. Dang, I wonder if CoffeeZilla is going to tell him off on a Twitter space. Oh, man, it's going to be Miracle on 34th Street all over again. But it's going to be about a meme coin. He's going to have to prove that he didn't rug the meme coin. Oh, my gosh, that's such a good modern adaptation. We need to see that. Arnold Sands said, hello, JJ. Hello from Mexico. Please, can you check Moodang? Yes, I absolutely can. I absolutely love Mexico. And I love all of my Mexican fans. You guys are badass motherfuckers. Let's go check Moodang. Ooh. Okay, I'm on the weekly. My bad. So on the daily, what we were originally looking for is Moodang to break above the 30-cent level, which it did. And then we were looking at some resistance levels for some reason. Let's go to the 4-hour. That'll make more sense. Yeah. So basically, we came back down. We retested 30 cents perfectly, busted through these 2 resistance levels at 37 and 39, and just kind of flew past that. Came back down, retested 45, so it's establishing nice base. It really is. It ran up pretty damn hard to get here, but it's doing great. It's establishing volume in these areas, because if you look, when it busted up here and here, there was never any price action here previously. So there's no volume. There's nothing to base anything off of. So a nice retracement and then a nice bust to the upside and more retracement. What that's doing is that's establishing support and resistance levels in this area that it's never had before, because it's never been this high before. So over time, the price is going to continue to build these foundations and continue to move up, which is what you want to see. Because when it collapses at the end of the bull market, instead of it going straight down and everybody getting rugged, with all of this support and resistance areas, all of these areas of interest, it's going to go slow. It's going to go nice and slow. And everybody's going to get a chance to ladder out, or people maybe ladder in. And then ladder out at the top. And, you know, day traders, everyone's going to find a way to make money on it somehow if they can. So, yeah, Moodang looks great. It could potentially be a little bit of a double top right here, but we won't know until this plays out, because this does look like it's setting up some kind of parabola move to the upside, which is really just going to be up to the people trading it. It really is. That's a big candle right there. 88%. Yeah, I love how this thing moves. It's so violent. So it went down to what, like 200 million market cap, and then just exploded? 300 million. So it went from 300 million to 6. Oh my gosh. This thing doubled in market cap that fast. That's awesome. Yeah, Moodang, just these gigantic, insane candles are exciting, man. This is what meme coins are about. You love to see it. You really do. Oh, that candle was Coinbase? What? Are they getting listed on Coinbase? Woo-hoo, that's crazy. Are you speculating? Yeah. Whoa, that's awesome. Why did I not know about this? My Discord family's slacking. I was just talking about how great they were. Nobody shares the listing news? I had no idea. That's huge. Congratulations, Moodang holders. Moodang. That's awesome. Hell yeah. That's so sick. Billy said, yes, I've heard of the internet. Ass. Oh, man. We got 11 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. We're just chilling. Okay. Volkov got robbed tonight in UFC? What? Like a ref made a bad call or something? Or somebody actually got robbed? I feel like that happens. People, I just got into like fantasy league for my friends because one of the guys disappeared. I know nothing about football. Apparently, these guys are like getting involved in like shootings and stuff all the time. I'm like, what is going on in the world of football? Like, you got millions of dollars and you're just still running around like shooting each other. Isn't the whole point of making a ton of money so you don't have to worry about that crap anymore? Blew my mind. Chainlink looks delicious. It really does. What else looks good? I really want Cass to look good. I really do. I don't know. Cass has been like one big choppy disappointment for me. And maybe I'm just being a picky little bitch. That's very possible. But this, like, it's so lame. It's so freaking lame. I guess I really only have patience for Cardano. Everything else, it needs to move right now or I don't give a crap about it. Is that fucked up? That's a little fucked up. It's kind of like it's like people that can't care for other people's kids. Like Cardano's my kid, and all the other coins are other people's kids. And I'm like, ooh. Okay, run along. CT said, bro, you know you loved Sad Truck, LOL. I bought Wrecked also on Pump Fund. Can you check it out, please? For sure, man, for sure. Okay, you said Wrecked with, oh, Kret, Krett. My bad. How did Sad Truck go? Did Sad Truck moon? Kret. Where's the freaking name? Okay, so we got a bunch of them. Which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm assuming the one that was made 7 hours ago. Is this one? Oof. This is the one that you bought? Oh, it bonded already. Why not stream this token launch on chat 3.1? Here's the video showing how. See, now this is where they get you with the scammy shit. My dumbass, from one of my stupid fake shitty rug coin bullshit motherfuckers, I copy pasted one of these and I I freaking looked it up like an idiot. Is this the one? First one, yes. Okay. I mean, it bonded. It seems like it bonded instantly, which is kind of crazy. Radium pool seated. View on Radium here. Kret. Ooh, damn. This thing's fresh. Like fresh out the oven. Yeah, you gotta trade the 1 minute on this motherfucker. It's got 3 hits to the downside, though. It really does. 1, 2, 3. Could be setting up. Could be setting up. Oh, that's kind of cool. Gecko terminal? What? This is great. Can I trade here too? Ooh. Coin Gecko. I had no idea. This is lovely. Wow. Are they going to compete with Dex Screener? This is so nice. Can they put these in alphabetical order for fuck's sake? This is such a mess. Or can they at least like let me search? Okay, you can. Okay. CoinGecko's doing a good job. I'm quite impressed. You know what's not gonna impress me? If they don't have Cardano. There it is. Ooh, I'm impressed even more now. I also bought Pooper. What the fuck? I can't breathe. Okay, let's go look at Pooper. Let's go look at Pooper. Dude, Peanuts on here still? 4 hours ago, dogs pooping in beautiful places. Pooper, enjoy my dog taking a shit in this beautiful place. It is beautiful, isn't it? This is a fucking Windows backdrop. Look at the clouds reflecting in that pond. Dude, look at, he's got a big ass smile. He's like, I love shitting here. That is so fucking funny. Damn. Do I have to buy some Pooper? This is great. I feel like if I do buy it, it's gonna rug. And if I don't buy it, it's gonna moon. What's the middle ground here? Is there a Twitter? Dude, please give me a Twitter. Ah, how am I supposed to enjoy dogs pooping in beautiful places if there's only one picture? Damn you. If there was a Twitter, I would have bought it. But this is freaking hilarious. If I had a voice right now, I'd probably be laughing. Hoff said, what does it mean bonded? Okay, so Hoff said Pump Fun, the whole point of Pump Fun is to launch these coins. So Cret launched, and it got enough purchases and enough market cap to where the bonding curve was hit, which means I believe they take half of the money that was made through this and whatever percentage of the pool, the liquidity pool, which maybe let's call it 31%, which I don't think is true, but actually let me find one that has it. Yeah, right here. See the bonding curve right here? This is 46% of the supply. So when they hit the bonding curve, when this goes to 100%, it'll have $98,000 worth of assets, which is probably about $50,000 worth of pooper, $50,000 worth of soul. So then they'll take that 100K, which is 50-50, and they will put it in a locked liquidity contract on Radium. And then Radium will have a liquidity pool, and it'll be tradable on Radium and Dex Screener because there's a liquidity pool for it, which is the whole point of Pump Fun. It kind of eliminates the trading fees. It's kind of like Pump Fun essentially is angel investors, pretty much getting like first access to the coin, and in return, the coin gets listed once it reaches the bonding curve, and the developer has to there's zero upfront costs, zero, versus like what we did with FOMO. We had to front our own Polygon and then our own FOMO to create liquidity pools so that people could trade the token. CT said I bought $10 of each, basically. Nice. Yeah, that's the way to do it, man. That's what I like to do. Throw in small amounts in. Because then when it goes crazy, you don't need $1 million. You throw $10 in and you get 100x. That's $1,000. If it goes to zero, big fucking whoop. You lost $10. Who cares? You know what I mean? It's a brilliant risk to reward ratio. It really is. That's why I think it's funny when people are like, you only put $5 in the poop coin. I'm like, yeah. I lost $5 too when it rugged. How much did you lose? Well, I only play with 1,000 at a time. My wife kicked me out, and I'm living with my mom now. She only gives me $10 a day. It's just funny to me, man. Everyone's got their own finances, you know? There's no fucking reason to nitpick. That's why I like talking percentage. Because it's none of your goddamn business how much money I'm fucking playing with, how much money I made, how much money, whatever the fuck. Like, why does that fucking matter? If I made a fucking 10,000% trade, that's 10,000%. That's ridiculous, by the way. 10,000% is crazy. Is that 100x? I think it is. Yeah, 10,000%. There you go. I don't know if I've ever seen a 10,000% trade like ticket. Okay, so let's see what Gecko Terminal has access to, because this is sick. They got Sneck, Friend, Hosky, Viper, Nike, Lobster. Ooh, deep cut. Lenfi, Mogi, Nike again, NTX, Baby Snack. Fuck, I fucked up Baby Snack so fucking bad. Jed, Li-Fi, Derp. Derp's a new one. No, it's not. No, it is not. This is for Derp Burbs. My bad. Milk. I didn't know Milk was still around. Book. Parabus. This one's interesting. I remember this one. It's an NFT thing, isn't it? I thought this rugged. It has no... There's no fully diluted value available. Don't tell me. Okay, that's the liquidity. It's like, whoa. Snack Girl. Ooh, we got PP. Oh. Damn. Snock. Meld. Ugh. This thing was a fucking rug. You know what's really fucking funny? You know what's really funny? BitBoy. Oh my god, did somebody launch a meme of Meld? That's fucking funny. BitBoy came out. Let me see if I can find it. He came out and he was like, I am going to bank with Meld. And Meld rugged. And then BitBoy came out and was like, I am selling my Cardano. I think it's trash. Like, my guy, you were the one that bought Meld and like tried to make a deal with them. Everyone in the Cardano community knew Meld was trash. Like years ago. I don't know why that was news to him. CT said, you know, I'm here all the time with you. Can you buy Pooper for fun so we can laugh in the future? Absolutely. Absolutely, I can. And I want to make sure that I have enough ETH to actually transact. I will put, I don't even know how much money this is. How much SOL do I have? So this would be about $2.50. This would be about $5. And then I think I'll still be good to transact afterwards. Correct? Yes. Bam. It's time for Pooper. Buying Pooper. Transaction confirmed. Let's go. Sell 100%. Let's go. I got 171,291.092708 Pooper. Spam the poops in the chat. Oh, man. Let's go. It's poop time. I just think that this would be my favorite thing if this was the coin that like went to $1 billion market cap and we retired off of it. You know how freaking hilarious that would be? Like, how do you pay taxes on how do you pay taxes on Pooper? Would you have to write that down? On December 8th, 2024, I put $5 whole into Pooper, also known as dogs pooping in beautiful places. On December 11th, 2024, I cashed out of Pooper with approximately $450 million and 74 cents. I owe the IRS. I owe the IRS $14 million. That would be way more than that. It would be half. It would be 50%, I think. The tax brackets are broken. It should be the equal amount for everybody. I don't know why the fuck it would change. It's so goofy. Every time I think I'm gonna like make more money, like I get a raise at work or I like work more hours, I make there comes a point where I like plateau because the tax bracket changes. It's crazy. You literally have to like ask for the most ridiculous raises in order to actually start making money. Let's update our liquidation points. See what we got. Okay, 108.52. And then the big one is at 101.207. Oops, 20. And then below us, yeah, we're right there. 99.359, 99.288. It might get ugly here, guys. It might get pretty ugly here if we hit those. I guess I don't want to fear monger. Pretty ugly. It might be a little dramatic. Let me check the chat. CT said, "Bro, how do we sell correctly?" LOL. What do you mean? Like in Pump Fun? You can sell like this, or after bonds, you can do it through Dex Screener or Jupiter Swap or Radium. I guess, what do you mean? Can you give me more detail? Like, how do we take profit correctly? Like, big picture? Stephen Forvan said, good evening. What did I miss? Stephen, not much. Bitcoin broke 100K. It lost 100K, and then it broke 100K again, and now it's currently losing 100K, and it's probably going to break it again. So, let's see. Can I can. Ooh, ready? I told you guys I didn't like using Wix. Bam. Bam. Beautiful. That feels so much better. It wasn't touching right here or right here, and now it is. Well, it was touching here, but it wasn't touching right here. Zero said, sups. What's going on, Zero? Happy, I think it's Sunday for you. It's Sunday for me right now, too. It's 1 a.m. CT said, LOL, will we have liquidity? Should we get out early? Let's say it hits 1 million market cap. I hope we could get out. I hope we get out, LOL. For pooper? I guess we'd have to see what the market cap was. So this would be 99. So this would be 10% of what we're looking for. I feel like 1 million's not bad. Can I change this? I can't change this to market cap. Oops. What have I done? So right now, 1270, it's at, can I see? Whatever 72% of 97,993 is. Right now it's at a $70,560 market cap. So it's got about, let's see. What did I say? 72? I don't remember. Yeah, it's got about 13x to go. 13 times whatever this is. 0.0123 456 1270. What did I say? The quantity was? Copy, and let me just see this. 13? Yeah, 13.8 times this. I can't paste there. Times. No, not X. So it would be 17,526. We would erase a 0. And then it would be 17,526. So we're looking for right. Can I change this? Yeah. There. That is where we're looking to take profits. If you want to take profits at a $1 million market cap, which I said would be about a 13.8x, which would make my profits. Shut the fuck up. I would I would make $69. I swear to God, I didn't plan this. That's fucking awesome. Zero said, yep, happy Sunday, my man. Cheers. I got my chai latte in my Snorlax cup. Let's go. CT said, that's why I enjoy listening. You're definitely teaching me some things. I don't know. Let's hold till 30 million, bro. Well, we can ladder out. We can ladder out along the way. That's a lot of times what I do with my stuff. I did not do that with Splo, which is why I'm excited that it's making a little bit of a comeback, but I bought like way up here. I lost like $50 on this thing. So I want my $50 back. But on nothing, I've laddered out so many times out of this. So I put like $5-10 in this thing. And then I learned that God and Satan on Twitter were like doing something with it. And it's funny. It has no name. It's literally called unknown. Like when you trade it, your wallet will tell you unknown for Sol. Like it has no idea what the name is because there's no name. I bought this thing. I don't even know where the hell I bought it. Down here. I bought this thing at 0.00138. And I've taken profit like probably 6 to 8 times. Each time I was getting like I was taking out like 10 times what I actually put in. So this thing has probably paid for my entire Sol portfolio like twice, which is huge. So definitely when you see the numbers get big and you realize like, oh shoot, I only put 10 bucks in that and it's at 150, I should maybe take out 20, 30 bucks. That way, after that, it's house money. If it goes to zero, who cares? You still got profit. You doubled your money still. So there's no risk at that point. And I like teaching people things. I like that you said that. I appreciate you coming here and learning. I think it's fun. I think that that's why I liked crypto so much, because there's still so much to learn. There's constantly stuff to learn. And I feel like it could have gone either way. The reason I even started looking into crypto was the whole Roaring Kitty GameStop thing. And I saw GameStop and I was like, this thing's not going anywhere like further beyond this. And it did, but I started looking into crypto. I learned about crypto from that and I was like, oh shoot, I should get into this crypto thing. And my first purchase was Litecoin on PayPal, which is kind of hilarious. But I remember just like refreshing PayPal all day at work, and it was going up, and I was like, "This is awesome!" Oh man, it was ridiculous. But after that, man, I just went crazy, like neck deep in research, nonstop, and I love every second of it. I really do. I thoroughly enjoy it. I just started streaming just a couple months ago, as well, and I thoroughly enjoy this as well. It really is a ton of fun. Uh-oh. Oh, not uh-oh. It's done this before. No big deal. No big deal for C. Hopefully it just continues this trajectory. Cass. What did I tell you guys? I opened up a trade here. I'm pretty sure I opened up one here as well. Both of them. I closed because it started dumping. And they're low leverage trades, but I'm not familiar with Cass, so I don't keep stuff open if it starts moving in a way that I'm not expecting. Cass has been one of the biggest ones. Like I feel like I'm good at predicting a bunch of different assets. Cass is the first one where I can't predict shit. I will say it is gonna hit my target, I think, for my stupid triangle breakout. But at what point is it my fault for just fumbling the trade so bad? I'm pretty sure this whole time. It's just one of those assets that I can't nail down. Bitcoin dominance. Everything's kind of quiet, which is weird. I guess it is 1 a.m. EST. Manya B said, I bought some Kobe before the pump. You mind checking it out? I'll check out Kobe. Okay, I'm assuming that's a deck screener. Kobe before the pump. This? Which pump? Today? Okay. Justin Anderson. Hang on. Yeah, Justin Anderson. What's the contract address for the unknown coin? Okay, Justin Anderson, here's what I'll do for you, because it is hard to figure out. I'm going to go to Deck Screener. I'm going to pull it up on my watch list. I'm going to copy the contract address, and then I'm going to go tweet it. So go to my Twitter, which should be in the link in the description. Dude, what the fuck? This is the creepiest shit I've ever seen.
Why is this in my feed? I need to show my fiance. Get this shit out of my fucking Twitter feed. What the fuck? I would shit my pants. Fucking ew. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna, just for safety, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna copy it again. Copy. And I'm gonna paste it once. Paste. And then I'm just gonna tweet it. That's it. So now what you can do is you can go in the description. And I'm gonna copy it again. Copy. All the way down to the bottom. Right here. Follow me on Twitter. Click it. It'll take you there. And then not my pinned tweet, but right here. There you go. There's your contract address. Completely unfuckable. Alright, and then we're gonna look at Kobe. But I need some input. I need some input for you, Nunya B. You said you bought Kobe before the pump. Mind checking it out? Is it Kobe on Sol? And what time frame do you mean before the pump? Like before this pump? That makes a little more sense. Or before this pump? Did you buy it down here? Because that's even more crazy. So right now, I see potential double bottom and a higher low. Let's do some TA on this meme. Is there bullish div? Is what I want to know. Let's see. No, it's so close though. It's so close. There is bearish div though. So with the bearish div, because it seems to have potentially played out already. Let's see. Yeah, 22%, 23%. That's pretty good. Justin Anderson said thanks. Appreciate it, man. No problem. Smash the like button. And share the channel with your friends, man. We're trying to get to 500 subs. CT said, I play professional poker and I used to play professional golf, so I understand the lifestyle, and I've been getting into trading the last 2 years. Hell yeah. That's badass, dude. Sounds like you got a sick lifestyle. I like it. Professional golf. I've never been golfing. I've been to a I don't even know what it's called. This is embarrassing. A driving range. That was fun. But I've never actually been on a golf field. Golf course. Jeez. Can I fuck this up any further? I've never been on a golf court. Jeez. I've never been in a golf rink. Loop ring for Steven Forvan. Nunya B, let me know what pump you bought Kobe before. I want to check that out. But you got no bullish div. You got bearish div, which seems to have played out already. I would just look for, if it keeps this up, if it does not fall below this, then you got a decent uptrend right now. The problem with that is if it does not like start like a parabolic kind of curve, then you're risking a potential rising channel, and then that's a bearish trend. But if it does a rising wedge, we've been watching those break out bullish lately, so that could be a good bullish scenario as well. You also have a potential for a janky inverse head and shoulders right here, which would give you probably a neckline like this, and a potential, I'm fully fabricating this move right now, a potential target of 91.16 or 91.16, yep. So that's what I see. That's what I'm looking for. Let's go look at loop ring for golf ring. Let's go look at loop ring for Mr. Steven. Golf ring. Golf field. What did I say? What was the first thing that I said? What did I say? Golf field? I- Golf course. I must have said field. How the fuck did I say golf field? I'm gonna have to clip that. That's fucked up. Wow, loop ring kind of did exactly what I drew. Am I wrong? I drew this, and it did this. I mean, is that a stretch? Am I cheating? These are kind of the same shape. One of them's just, it's just a different trajectory. Maybe I'm just cheating. We can call this one a loss. I've won enough. Happy. But yeah, loop ring. It's just been nonstop. You got more bullish div here. Look at this. This is nonstop bullish div on loop ring. That is sick. Non-stop. Are you kidding me? What else do we got? Okay. Oh, this right here too. So we did look it up specifically with bullish with divergences. You do not count the wicks. You only count the candle bodies. Non-stop bullish div. Are you kidding me? This too right here. So what you would need here is for this candle to actually react off of this line. I would need a reaction in order to comfortably call this divergence. Actually, right here is beautiful. That's even better. I'm just going to go with that. So you want a reaction somewhere before here. Before it gets to that price level, you want to see like the price could bounce here, it could bounce here, it could bounce here, it could just chop and bounce here. That would still be bullish div. Even if it went like this, that would still be bullish div because the price is still higher than the previous point. The problem with that is you would then need this point to do the same thing. This would have to go down here instead of being like up here or something by the time it got to this point. You need the points to line up. So right now, where it's at, if you get a solidified bounce right here, that would be more bullish div. Now, I guess it was pretty violent before, now it's shallow. Right now it could be violent. Yeah. I don't know. It looks good. It looks poised for more upside unless Bitcoin does not cooperate. But you are getting a beautiful parabola right here. This right here, it was very sideways, super flat line sideways, and now it's starting to curl up. And the more it curls up, the more, like, the faster it's going. And that's very, very clear. It's not going in one straight uptrend. It's not going. Oh my gosh, I fucked up my whole thing. It's not going in one straight uptrend. It's going in a nice curve. And it's just going higher and higher every time. All right, fellas. I appreciate you guys for joining me on this lovely late night Saturday stream. But I'm probably going to call it. I'm super duper sleepy. So once again, thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description. I appreciate you guys. Happy Saturday, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.